Hey everybody, my name is Kartik Subramaniam. I'm a real estate entrepreneur here in Southern California. I'm the founder of a very large real estate education company. Absolutely love what I do. I have a passion for the business. I'm happy to have found it. Follow my journey here on YouTube. Hey everybody, Kartik Subramaniam over at ADHI Schools. Wanted to talk for just a couple minutes on something that I think I've seen a couple of the YouTube videos made on this, but I wanted to just throw my hat in the ring and discuss something with you real quick, and it's how to deal with this concept of haters. And no matter what you do, you're gonna get some people that criticize you or don't like what you're doing or don't like how you do it. And it is, what really made me think hard about this is that there's probably 10, 15 people that are like heavy real estate YouTubers that record at least a couple of videos a week on real estate related topics on YouTube. And I saw one video just here a few days back where another real estate YouTuber had literally taken the time to dissect another YouTuber's entire life. You know, how many deals they did, how much money they made. They went so far as to even pull title on their home to show that they weren't actually the owner of the property. And again, everybody's entitled to make whatever YouTube video you want, I guess, within reason. But, you know, I really hope that this, you know, watching this video, I think a lot of people would get frightened to record YouTube videos or get, you know, really put themselves out there that, hey, there's somebody that's gonna dissect my entire life and, you know, show all the mistakes that I made and show all the L's that I took, and I'm gonna, you know, I'm scared that I'm gonna somehow, my whole life is gonna be put out there. No matter what you do, if you play at a large enough scale, you're going to get people that will, you know, Google you and look into your life and understand or try to understand, you know, where you fell and try to exploit that for their own gain. It's just, you know, I really watched this video not really even understanding the point. Why would you dissect someone else's entire life like that? You know, build your own empire. You don't have to, you know, you don't have to squash someone else to make yourself look good. In fact, one of my most favorite quotes ever is, just because you put out my candle, that's not gonna make yours shine brighter. And I always think about that anytime I see something like this where someone, you know, takes it upon themselves to, you know, tear someone else down. And there were some valid points made in that other video. And if you're an avid real estate YouTube watcher, you probably know what I'm referring to. But to expose someone's entire life like that, I think does a disservice to everybody, and it's not really a win for the person making the video. It's just, you know, again, the one quote that stays with me in my mind is, again, just because you put out my candle, that's not gonna make yours shine any brighter. All of us just need to work on ourselves and just do the best we can in the small little confines of our own bubble or whatever we're trying to build. So if you've thought about whether it's getting your real estate license or making videos on YouTube or starting a business or, you know, just do you, you know, you're gonna have people out there that, you know, try to shake you down and try to, you know, dim your candle, but it's really not, it's not helping anyone. So if you wanna get your real estate license, you wanna start a business, you wanna do whatever it is, just go ahead and do it. Don't be worried about what the rest of the world's gonna think. Hope this helps. We'll talk to you guys on the next video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do that now. Hit that bell, of course, so you get notified every time we upload a new video. Connect with me on Instagram, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks.